Understanding the phrase, plant a seed, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, plant a seed. This phrase is rich in meaning and widely used in various contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Firstly, let's look at the literal meaning of the phrase. To plant a seed means to put a seed in the soil so it can grow. It's a fundamental part of gardening and agriculture. This literal action is the foundation of the metaphorical uses of the phrase. In a metaphorical sense, to plant a seed means to start something that will develop or grow over time. It's often used in the context of ideas, thoughts, or feelings. For example, if you introduce a new idea to someone, you're planting a seed in their mind, which might grow into a larger interest or belief. This phrase is particularly popular in motivational contexts. When we plant a seed in someone's mind, we're laying the groundwork for future development. It's about inspiring change or action, not immediately, but gradually, as the seed takes root and grows. Let's look at some examples. In education, a teacher might plant a seed of curiosity about a subject. In business, a marketer could plant a seed about a new product in a potential customer's mind. In relationships, a friend might plant a seed of an idea about planning a future trip together. Culturally, the phrase is tied to the idea of potential and growth. It reflects a philosophical perspective that small beginnings can lead to significant outcomes. It's a reminder of the power of initial efforts and ideas. And that wraps up our exploration of plant a seed. Remember, this phrase is all about beginnings, potential, and the gradual development of ideas or actions. We hope this video plants a seed in your mind about the beauty and depth of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.